morning, senior kids. Once again, I am here with yet another class, and that is environmental studies. Okay, what concept we are learning in this? Yes, my neighborhood. And we had started the class with different kinds of shops, and then we had moved on to different types of houses. Okay, so far we had learned many kinds of houses. Okay, let's do the recapitulation of all the houses, whatever we have learned so far. We had started with bungalow. Bungalow is a big house with many rooms. One family can stay. Bungalow is rounded with verandas and lawn. Okay, next one, building. Building is a big tower with many floors on it. Each floor has many flats, and in one flat lives. There are many rooms. One family or individual can stay in the flat. Okay, next, hut. Hut is a cheap hut can be found in the village, and with using the local materials such as dry leaves and muds, hut can be made. Okay, tent. Tent is a temporary shelter. Okay, it is most commonly found in the desert areas where people move from one place to another. They make the tent, and not only for that, when somebody goes for a camping trip, they make the tent. Okay, and next we saw boathouse. Boathouse is a house that can be seen in lake or the river. It is used to stay in the house, or it is used as a tourism place also, and it is found near the lake and the river. Tree house. Tree house is made up of wood, and it is found in the jungle. It is made in a big trunk of a tree. Why do we see the tree house in the jungle usually? Because there are wild animals roaming in and around the jungle. So if we make a tree house in the jungle, will be safe. Next we have seen the igloo. Igloos are made with ice blocks, and it is usually found in the snowy place where there are ice and snow all throughout the year. It is dome shaped house. The outer layer is covered with the ice blocks. The inner layer is covered with a thick blanket fur. Okay, fur blanket. Next we have seen the palace. Palace is a luxurious house, and royal people such as kings, queens, prince and princess, they live in the palace with, and they have many servants in there. Okay, next we see fort. Fort is a big strong structure, and it is used as an army post, and royal people come and lives in the fort. Such as kings, queens, prince and princess, they come and live in the fort during the war time. But in palace, they live during the peace time. Okay, so it is made with the strong stones. Okay, so these are the houses that we had learned so far. But does we see all the houses almost everywhere? Do we see all the houses almost everywhere? For example, take igloo. Can we build an igloo here where we live in? Can we build a tree house in the place where we live? No. So houses are built according to the environment we live in. For example, if the place is totally covered with snow, then at that place igloos are built. Okay, only igloos are built. At that place we couldn't make any tree house, or we couldn't make any kind of building or bungalow. Okay, so igloos are made only in the snowy place. And next, as I said, the tree house. Tree house are usually built in the jungle. So why can't we make tent in the jungle? Because look at this. Tree house is found in the jungle it is built in a big tree trunk. Okay, and it is above the ground level. Why? Because there are in the jungle there will be many wild animals that may harm us. If we live in the jungle, if we make the tent and we live in there, it may harm us. So to be safe in the jungle, tree house is built. Okay, and tents. Where do we see the tents usually? We see the tents in the desert or in the site. Okay, for example, if we have went for a trekking or the camping site, what do? We make a tent. Okay, or if you see in the desert, the tents are built in the desert because the people, those who are moving from place to place, they need water. They move on in search of water, and where they find the water, they make their tents near them. Okay, children. So the tents can be built in desert, but at the same time, hut cannot be built in the desert. Where do we see the hut? Usually villages. The village people, they are not much rich. Okay, so what do? They get some local material, muds, they get the dried leaves, or they get the hays, or they get the palm leaves, and they build the roof of the hut. Okay, that is a low budget house. Okay, and in some place, if there are rain all throughout the year, what type of would the house be? They will have the slopey roof. Look at the picture. They will have the slopey roof, so that the water may not stay on the roof. It will come and fall down. And at the same time, in snowy place also, people build slopey roof, so that the snow may not get collected on the roof. They just come down in the slopey roof. But there are places with less water. Okay, at that place, what kind of houses do we see? We see a flat roof houses. Okay, suppose our house is a flat roof houses because we have less rain, so we need to collect that rainwater. Now look at this picture. This is a flat roof picture, and we see that the rainwater, to collect the rainwater, the house is built in the form of flat roof. Now kids, tell me, what is your house type? Is that a flat roof or a slopey roof, or what kind of house it is? Okay, so look at your house, analyze it, and tell me. Okay, next we'll do the worksheet. Take out your concept worksheet, concept skill worksheet, and turn to page number 20. So what kind of work we are going to do is draw a line to match the homes to the environments they are found in. The first one is igloo, second one is tree house, boat house, hut, tent. And bottom, the places are given where they usually found in. The first one is jungle, second one is lake, third one is campsite, snow-clad mountain, and village. Okay, so first picture is igloo. So where do we see igloo? Igloo is usually found in snow-clad mountain. So match it. Tree house. Where do we see the tree house? Tree house is found in jungle. Okay. Boat house. Boat house can be made and can we stay on the land like us? No. So boat house usually found in rivers and lakes. Okay, so match it. Next we do have hut. Hut, where do we see hut? In the village. Next we have tent. Tent is seen in the campsite. Okay, so do match all the houses to their places and take a picture and send it in group. Okay, so that I may see it. Okay children, so this is all about in today's class. So until I meet you in the next class, it's your aunt saying bye, and do take care of yourself.